Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today we are going to start chapter 18 Bills of Exchange. In this chapter we will do some practical questions and theory also, but firstly we will study theory. According to the Indian Negligible Instrument Act 1881, what is now we will study the what is bill of exchange and which act, according to which act it is made. It is made from Indian Negligible Instrument Act 1881. What is a bill exchange? A bill exchange is an instrument in writing an order signed by a maker to make a certain sum of money. It means that to somebody we have given a money and we have to take it back. So he signs a bill of exchange that he will give in the money in that much time, or he should take the money in that much time. Now we will study about parties of bill of exchange. So here are three parties of bill of exchange: drawer, pay and drawee. Drawer is a seller, a person who sells goods and services. Drawee is a purchaser who purchase goods and services. And pay is a person to whom payment is made. Now we will discuss about some information before starting some practical questions. First is we will study about date of maturity. What is date of maturity? So if we receive a bill of exchange of like month 1 December 2017 and its completion date is, we have given the time of 2 months. So our date of maturity will be 2 months. We have to count 1 December, 1 January, 1 Feb. 1 Feb, but we will add 3 grace days in it. Add 3 days more, which we called grace days. So if we add 1 Feb 2018, here we will add 3 days more. So our date of maturity will be 4 Feb 2018. Like on some days there is holidays. There is holiday. For example, there is holiday on 26 January 2018. So if our maturity date is 26 January 2018 and it is pronounced that there is a holiday, so our maturity date will be reduced to 1 and the date of maturity will become 25 January 2018. If there is announcement of a random holiday, so like there is announcement of random holiday on 24 January 2018 due to the death of any person or any other related issue, so the maturity date will become one day after. So maturity date will become 5 January 2018. So For today this topic is enough, so please read it and revise it, and just solve two practical questions, first and second, solved and unsolved, and it will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching my channel. Hope you liked my video. So please share, comment and like the video. Thank you.